All right, Mr. Warren, can you stand up? I'm going to take your plea at this point. Are there any facts, because this is a no contest, that Attorney Barker, you wish to add to the offer of proof?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, Mr. Warner, I have here the acknowledgement and waiver of rights on a Class B misdemeanor. Did you go over that form carefully with Attorney Barker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and did you understand that form?
Yes.
Do you understand that by entering a plea of no contest that you're giving up certain rights that you have?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand you're giving up the right, because this was a Class A misdemeanor, the right to a trial?
Yes.
Okay. And do you understand you're giving up the right to see, hear, and question all witnesses?
Yes.
And do you understand you're giving up the right to present evidence, call witnesses in your favor, and to testify on your behalf?
Yes.
Do you understand if you chose not to testify, the court would have instructed the jury not to draw a negative inference from your silence?
Yes.
And do you understand it would have been the state's burden at trial to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt with respect to all the elements of the charges?
Yes.
And do you understand you're waiving the right to appeal?
Yes.
And are you entering this plea of your own free will, free from any pressure or anyone forcing you to enter this plea?
Yes.
All right, so on the charge before the court, which docket number?
The docket number, Your Honor, is
058C.
The charge ID ends in 8C.
Okay. All right, so on docket number 1894058C, what plea do you wish to enter at this time?
No contest.
The court will accept your no contest plea. The court is entering a finding of guilt. The court finds that the state would have met its burden of proof, and the court will impose the sentence that was outlined by the court at the beginning of the hearing. Did you want to make a statement at all?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So the court will impose a sentence. The court does overall find, well, this is quite egregious act that the goals of sentencing have been met with this plea, given the lack of a record and given the charges.
All right, just for the record, Your Honor, I just want to make clear the docket number is, the Superior Court docket number is 2023 CR 008.
Oh, I read this. Okay.
Yep. And the charge ID is 1894058. Thank you.
Okay, very good. Okay.
I guess the final thing would be the law process.
I'll file that out.
Okay, and when will the fine be paid?
About 5 minutes.
Okay, all right, very good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, take care.
I was going to just call it.